Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am very excited because I have my first ever crown Rolex unboxing today. So presented here, it's a very nice cream cut box as well with the Rolex logo on top. So like all Rolex boxes, we are welcome with a green Rolex box with a gold crown right at the bottom and this very interesting wave pattern on top. So without further ado, let me open the box and show you guys the watch. Okay, what we have here at the top is also a Rolex logo, and we have a couple of documents inside. This is a leather pouch with international warranty card here, and we have, I believe, a user manual. So pretty cool. Okay, we also have the Rolex tag and a very interesting hologram of Rolex logo and superlative certified tag. And this is the root beer, the GMT Master 2. So we have spellings at the bottom and there's nothing much else. There's definitely some weight on this piece. So just show you guys. So this is the Rolex GMT Master 2 root beer in rose gold. As you can see, the bezel is in polished rose gold with black and brown. Then the numerals is also nearly a little bit of rose gold in it. We have a signed crown, and this crown is also in rose gold, polished sides, and also polished mid-links. This is bi-directional GMT bezel for you to track another time zone. And I think the watch gives a very nice warm tone to it compared to the other GMT watches lineup. So I think the best thing about Rolex Clasp is really comfortable to snap it on. So you can see there's another mechanism here that actually moves when it clips on. I think that's really satisfying. Clips, then you get it secured with another buckle. This is the oyster bracelet. This is one with the oyster bracelet, and this is it's a signed Rolex on the clasps. The case back it's relatively simple, just close case back. Okay, I'll do a wrist roll on this watch. I'll show you guys how it looks like on my 6.75 inches wrist. So this is definitely not size for me, but the watch feels comfortable, feels great on your wrist. Fits pretty well. I think it's just nice. Even though it looks a little bit boxy on the top, the GMT Master 2 is super beautiful. I think the rose gold really stands out. I mean, it's a beautiful watch to start off, so it should look beautiful on everyone's wrist. Love the Cyclops there. Good view of the date window. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Just want to do an unboxing video for you guys to take a look at the Rolex root beer. Once again, I will thank Dr. Dick Teo for sharing his timepiece with me. This is the first ever Rolex that is on my channel, and I'm super honored to be able to handle this and do an unboxing video. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next one.